Welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today's hair sponsor is Luvme hair. I have worked with them so many times on my channel and I love working with them. What I have installed is a 24-inch 5x5 closure wig. This is in the body wave texture in the color chestnut brown. So I think I'm gonna wear it off to the side like this today. I am using my zigzag scissors. I'm going to pluck a bit of hair out of the hairline. Okay, so I like the way that looks a lot more than this. I'm not sure if you guys can even tell that I did anything, but I can see the difference over here, okay? So I'm just going to repeat that and then we're gonna move on. I'm just sort of picking random sections, pluck, skip, pluck, skip. Now I have a hairline that looks more natural. See, maybe the side part will work for this now that I plucked it. I think we might only have to do baby hairs on that side. Okay, moving on. Get some wax stick. I don't think we need the baby hairs. I'm just gonna do no baby hairs today. So I have been curling the wig with both the curling iron and the curling wand. I'm using the curling iron for the top portion. I just think it gives a more defined look. This is the curl with the curling wand. This is the curl with the curling iron. Which one do you think you prefer? It's just really up to preference, right? I'm recurling all the curls with the curling iron. I should have just curled it with the curling iron in the first place, but I was being lazy. what I like to do, go in with some Bio Silk for the curly wigs. As I'm finger combing the wig. Yeah, that's better. And for those of you who are new to my channel, when I say clean up the part, it just means make it pop some more because I'm not wearing a bald cap. And then seal it with a light hairspray. Yes, you can wear her 100% glueless. As you can see, she's not attached. You might be able to tell this lace is definitely a darker lace. It's almost too dark. I think it would look very HD on someone that is darker skinned than me, but for me it's looking like there's like a dark line. Like, I noticed this wig feels a bit different compared to the other wigs that I've tried from them. This one is definitely giving more dry. It is still very silky, but just for the standards that I'm used to from Luvme hair, let me know what you guys think. Those are my thoughts. It's not always going to be 100% I'm in love. I for sure like the wig, I just don't love it, if you get what I'm saying. Let me know what you guys think though. I'm gonna leave all the information to this wig in the description box below if you want to purchase it. I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.